Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make and prepare a mixture for frying shrimp. So the reason we're deep frying our shrimp with a batter is it makes them sweet, flakier, and crispier than ever before. So first, we're going to take a large mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder, followed by 1 tablespoon of garlic salt. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Spanish paprika, and finally 1.5 cups of flour. Now to combine everything, we're going to add 10 ounces of ginger ale. Next, we're going to whisk our ingredients together. Should have a smooth but still malleable batter. Finally, we're going to dip our shrimps one at a time into our batter and into our 350-degree fryer. Fry your shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown and light. Next, remove your shrimp and let them drain on a small little paper towel. Finally, plate your dish and serve with any sauce that you prefer. These shrimp are beautiful, golden brown, and delicious, ready for any occasion, sauce, dip, or chutney.